guys. Oh, hi, sweet boy.
Hey, can you make that banana bread oatmeal baked thing?
Yes, I would love to.
And then a little snack.
A little snack?
Yeah.
I got you. All right, I'll let you know when it's ready. All right, Eric wants the banana oatmeal bake thing. So we're gonna make it. We're gonna take the bananas, 3 of these. Now, typically I would mash them up with a fork, or some people I know love to put them in a plastic bag, squish them up. I don't think I have.
You have done that.
Some people in the room have done it. I do not remember doing that. I'm gonna use KitchenAid. That's good. Decker Farm Fresh. I got these for Eric a couple years ago for his birthday. Farmer Decker. How cute. And y'all, our black chickens make these dark eggs. Isn't that crazy? Now we're gonna toss in our oats, brown sugar, milk, maple syrup, and vanilla, and baking powder. So you can either grease your pan with a little olive oil, butter, baker's joy, whatever you'd like, or you can use parchment paper. I'm gonna do parchment paper. So here's the deal. I'm one of those that likes a little bit of chocolate in everything. So we can either do this plain, you can, or you can add some chocolate chips on top, which I think makes it just a little bit sweeter. And just, you know, have to test it. It's good, the chocolate chips are good. All right, we're gonna pop it in the oven at 375. And now we wait. Okay, we're gonna check on it. I'm pretty sure it's done. Let's see. Oh yeah, this looks awesome. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. All right, we're gonna cut into this. Eric is literally over hovering. Just give me a second. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Ready?
A little chocolate.
A little chocolate. Cheers. I'm good, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm good.